sound of the letter L.
I just love this time of year.
I love it.
Christmas time. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Now we now of gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. It's Christmas time.
It's Christmas.
And as you can see, we have on our Christmas sweaters.
Beautiful.
Isn't this beautiful?
Beautiful.
Yes, and this is the most giving time of the year.
Yes, it is. Yes,
But guess
it
what?
is.
We still learn during Christmas time.
We never stop
That's
learning.
right. And I purposely picked this song because a lot of us make the L sound as in la. And that's not the correct pronunciation of the letter L. The correct pronunciation of L is L. Can you say L? Good. We're going to talk about some words that have the sound of L. As in
Lion.
lion, as in
Lamp.
lamp, as in ladybug, as in
Lemon.
lemons, as in leg,
Leg as in look.
as in lamb,
As in ladder.
ladder, as in my favorite time of the day, lunch.
Lunch.
The correct pronunciation of L is L. Not la. If you like this episode of L, please share and
Subscribe.
to Fun with Tab. We're also on TikTok. We're on
Instagram.
and we're on Facebook. And all you have to do is type in Fun with Tab to those social medias, and you'll see us in all our videos. So
Deck the house with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Challenge! As you know, there are lots of words that have the L sound. So my challenge to you is for you to think of 5 words that begin with the letter L and share it with me. See you soon.